Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today I would like to show you a Bentley S1 wood set. Now this Bentley S1 wood set is in pretty much real bad condition. The car's been abroad where it's red hot, the lacquer's all cracked, basically it's falling to pieces. I'm going to show you little bits of it. It's going to take a while, but please click like, share and tell your friends, and please follow us to see the end results once we've done this within about a month's time. Okay, so first of all we've got door cappings, 4 of them, and you can see there how bad, well, there's no lacquer left, it's just these little tiny bits that are all over it. It looks all crazed like this. That's because it's been really hot, then it's gone a bit colder, then hot, and then this is what happens. It goes like all this crazy effect. So on this particular set there's lots and lots of repairs, i.e. it's probably best just to strip everything off and just restart again. Even gluing the joints, it's really gone to that type of stage. So like I said, there's one door capping. You can see how dry and everything, it's all gone and all on the top. Now on this particular door capping you'll see how dry it really is, and it's not only dry, it's all, the joint is all snapped and there's movement in that joint which is there at the back. There's going to be a lot of movement in this, so it's best to just break this top piece off, re-glue it and then start again. All the crossband and everything's already come off, and yes, we can repair things like that, but because it's in so much of a state we would need to kind of start again, like I said. On this particular door capping it should look like this. So you can see this curve which is here, yet again it's all dried up and it looks really horrible. So on the other door capping the joint has also failed and the end piece is missing. So you see that piece, this one here, that's got the curve, well that one hasn't. So we'll have to make a new curve, we'll have to bond that to this woodwork, and on this particular case all this is all dried up as well like on the others, but this one's a little bit worse, so we're going to be doing that. Now these are the little fillet pieces that fit in between the door cappings, and on that one that's still fairly solid at the moment, but this one you can see it's just had it, it's all coming off. And like I said, please follow us on YouTube and obviously you'll see the end result once it's done. I'll put it on, and there's a line where all the joint, there's movement there, that's why we have to break it all to pieces so we can re-glue that. That's one of the worst pieces. On the smaller pieces the cross banding has just fell off, it's just dried up and fell off. Then you've got the dash. Now this is a dash piece, and yes, it's got the grill still in it which will have to be removed, but on this piece is made out of plywood, this piece, and this piece is made out of solid wood. So the solid wood is fine, that just gets all sanded back, but yet again the joints have gone on it, so we'll have to dismantle it, reassemble it, then we'll have to start with the problem with the veneer. Now on this you can see from there how it's lifting, so all that there is all coming off. All that will have to be restuck down, and hopefully I'm 90% sure that this set is actually going to look beautiful once again, believe it or not. And the dashboard is all dried up like how the door cappings were. We've got delamination on the plywood, so we will re-glue all that down. Now this is the top roll. Now the top roll sits over the top of the dash and it's actually made from Bakelite. Now it does have a pattern on it to make it look like veneer, but that is actually in the Bakelite. These are very fragile when they get old, and if they break it's a right pain to rejoint them. But if you have a look at this one, Normally this would have like a leverette on the top of here, but you can see that it's all of it's just gone, all of it's flaking off. The dashboard itself, yes, it looks bad, but once that's all been sanded, that should come up really nice again. So we would have to redo all that. We would either have to re-lever this, which we're a veneering company and we're not, I don't plan on doing that, so there might be a chance that we can actually re-veneer this. If, like I said, if you follow us, you'll see what we do with this at the end result. But you can see how bad that really is. Also, we've got the windscreen surround, and that also is in real bad condition. I know the lighting and the sound may not be very good, because I do record all my videos on a mobile phone because it's in my pocket and it's just easy off the cuff to do it there and then. But you can make out that how bad it actually is. It's all falling off. Well, this is made out of solid wood, but it's all snapped and rotted and things like that. So that's the top piece of that. And I don't want to go showing you all of the set because we'll be here all day and you'll get bored. So I'll show you two more pieces and then that'll be it from me. So this is a picnic table that would sit in the back of the seat. That doesn't look too bad, but you can see there that the cross banding, which is normally the first thing that would chip off because it's on the edge, so that can be repaired. A little piece there, just show you the other piece. The backs are fine, they just need all resanding and re-lacquering with proper lacquer. These will come up really nice. But the front, yet again, all the cross banding, you can see that ridge there, all that cross banding has come off, so we would actually put a piece back into there to build up. It's also come off all down there, so like I said, this set is in pretty bad state, and this will really put our artisan experience to the test. It's coming off there as well, and to top that off, these handles here, they're actually fastened in and screwed at the back, and then they're veneered over, so you can't see the screws. So in this particular case, we're going to have to work round that, so it makes the job 20 times more difficult, because we can't just put it in the press and do the veneering. We've got to manage to get around this without removing it. So that's that piece. And of course, I know I said two pieces, but this is the actual clock binnacle where the clocks go. You can see it's all dried up, and yet again I use that word because this set needs that word to be mentioned. This will look beautiful again. This is also made from Bakelite, like the top roll, so it'll be a quick sand over, and I'm sure that'll look brand new once again. Anyway, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share, tell your friends, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the end result of this in a month's time. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.